Hello guys, Julie here again. So now let me teach you how to make an account inactive and active again in QuickBooks Online. Alright, so in QuickBooks Online, when setting up a client file, you may want to make some default accounts inactive. This helps keep the chart of accounts tidy and prevents clients from posting transactions to the wrong or redundant account by mistake. And QuickBooks Online lists inactive accounts as deleted on reports. However, transactions in inactive accounts remain part of the company data. They would appear on reports if they were posted to the account when it was active. Alright, so now let's dive into our practice account. So from here on to the gear icon, then chart of accounts. So let's see the chart of accounts list. So from here, let's check or let's see or let's find the account that we will going to make inactive. Alright, so you have to remember that in making an account inactive, you can do it either individually or by batch. So to make a single account inactive, all you have to do is to find that account. So like for example here, the prepaid expenses account, we will going to make inactive this one. All we have to do is from here in the account, on the action column, drop down menu, click here and then click make inactive. And then QuickBooks Online prompts a message. Are you sure you want to inactive this? Just click yes to confirm. And there you go, prepaid expenses is now inactive. So when an account is inactive already in the chart of accounts, that means that that the that the account that was made inactive is no longer visible on our chart of accounts. So let's check if we can steal the prepaid expenses. So as you can see here, as we type here the name, there is no prepaid expenses showing on our chart of accounts. So that means that we have successfully made this account inactive on our chart of accounts. So how about in doing this procedure by batch? So all you have to do from the here, select each one by placing a check mark in the box to the left. So you can see here the boxes. All you have to do is to find the account that you will going to make inactive. Like for example, this one, the depreciation that has a fixed asset type and accumulated depreciation in the detail type. And also here the visa. So here you go. Let's just choose two accounts to make inactive. So next we have to go here in the batch action section, drop down menu, click make inactive. So before we do that, let's check again if what kind of account that we're going to make inactive. The depreciation in that has a fixed asset type and detailed type of accumulated depreciation and the visa. Alright, so let's click make inactive. Then QuickBooks Online prompts a message. Are you sure you want to inactive this? Yes to confirm. There you go. Two of two accounts were inactivated successfully. So let's check if we can still see the depreciation. So as you can see here, we have still here the depreciation, but the account type here says other expenses. If we can still remember that the depreciation that we have made inactive, the account type was fixed asset and the detailed type was the accumulated depreciation. So this is not the depreciation that we are looking for. So that means that the depreciation that we have made inactive already is no longer visible in our chart of accounts. And also let's see for the visa. So there you go, no visa is showing on the list of the chart of accounts. So this means that the two accounts that we have made inactive was successful by doing that procedure. All right, so how about when you change your mind later that you want to use those accounts that you have made inactive. So if you want to make those account active again, you have to first need to make it appear in the chart of accounts screen. So all you have to do is from here, the grid gear icon above on the action column, just click this one, and then you can see here the include inactive. Just check the box. There you go. And you can see here the accounts that we have made inactive. So we have here the prepaid expenses. As you can see here, it is deleted, and the depreciation, and also the visa. So for us to make this active again, all we have to do is to click make inactive here in our action column. So let's make this active again. So there you go, prepaid expenses is now active. Let's see. So here the deleted word is no longer seen in this section, and also the depreciation make active. So it says here depreciation is now active, and also the visa make active. Then visa is now active. So that's it. All the accounts that we have made inactive is already active again. So that's it. That's how easy to navigate QuickBooks Online in terms of making an account inactive and making it active again. All right. Thank you for watching.